Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Here you are, yeah, check. Marcus Body Coding Live. New vlog every day. Are you excited as I am? Well, remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready to see? Today, cross heel complicado 4. First, see for yourself. Let's go. Again. Yeah, are you ready? Let's do it together. No excuses. Wherever you are, let's do it together. I'll switch the cameras. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Are you ready? We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. But let's go with the left. We start with the cross with the left. Open to the side. Step to the back. Cross. Now heel with the left. Heel with the left. Heel. Step. Step. Yes. Now with the right. Cross. Open. Step to the back. And cross. Heel. Heel. Step. Step. With the left again. One more time. Let's go. Cross. Open. Step to the back. And cross. Heel. Heel. Step. Step. Yes. The same with the right. Cross. Open. Step to the back. And cross. Heel. Heel. Step. Step. One more time with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this is the move. Yes, this is the step. This is the move. But wait. You're still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice right now, face to face. I want to see you. Yeah, let's put the camera. Let's fix the makeup. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror, but practicing. Are you ready? Get the view from the lake and then go back to practicing. Let's go. Starting with the left again. Let's go. We cross. We open. Step to the back and cross. Heel. Heel. Step. Step. Yeah. Now with the right. Cross. Open. Step to the back and cross. Heel. Heel. Step. Step. One more time. Let's go with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you want a tip? Do you want a tip? Let's give you some tip with the hands. What to do with the hands? Let's go. We start here, not here. We start a bit up, not fists, open hands, not like this. Hold, yeah. We start like this. Let's go. We're here. And this is the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will point. Opposite hand. Point. Point. Step. Step. Yeah. With the right. Cross. Open. Step. And cross. Now we point. Left and right foot. Yeah. We point. We point. Bam, bam. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point. Point. Step. Step. Yeah. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point. Point. Step. Step. Yes, this is the move. Let's do it a bit faster. One time. Let's go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, this is the move. And if it was too fast for you, I have a bonus for you. I have a surprise for you. I have a gift for you. You can meet me in the studio practicing this move for free anytime you want. No matter where you are in the world. How you can do that? Check the link above, below, to the side. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio. Yes, to the YouTube channel. And search for this move. Cross, heel, complicado, 4. Or cross, heel, C. Yes, the letter C stands for complicado. The number 4. Yes, search for this move in the YouTube channel and practice with me in the studio. And on top of that, I remind you, these are universal moves. This is Marcus Body Coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, hip hop, any kind of dance that you want. Yeah, I'm serious. And by the way, salsa on 1 and on 2. Why? Because you can start with the right and with the left. All the moves are symmetrical. They look the same from both angles. Yeah, symmetrical. Also, for the same reasons, you can do them salsa with the men's step and the ladies' steps. Yes, because you can start with the right or with the left. Either way, do this move today. You might ask yourself, why today? Well, that's a good question and a very simple, exact answer for that. Because there's new footwork every day. Practice today and let's meet tomorrow for the new footwork. Yeah, new footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. Yeah. So let's meet tomorrow for new footwork. See you tomorrow.